All right, so now we are going to be talking about the surface area of a sphere. So think about a basketball, a volleyball, a baseball. These are all spheres. So if you're trying to paint it or wrap it in wrapping paper, how much of those materials would you need? How much area is covering the entire surface of that 3D shape of that ball? So surface area of a sphere is going to have a very straightforward formula. 4 pi r squared. It's 4 times the area of a circle. 4 pi r squared. Now, depending on what your radius is or what information you're provided, you might be given the circumference and you'll need to find the radius and then go through and plug it in for area. We'll give you a couple of different ways to go about finding this. We're not just going to give you the straightforward, here's the radius, plug it in, and let's go. Now, something you will see us mention is a great circle. If I say a circle has a great circle of 10 pi, that means its circumference. So the great circle is just another way for us to say circumference. That's all. Just a fancy way to say circumference. So don't get thrown off by it. It's not as scary sounding as you think. So if I have the radius of 8 and I'm trying to find the surface area is 4 pi r squared. My radius is 8. So we take 4 pi 8 squared. For now, I'm going to leave this in terms of pi. And this turns into 4 pi 64. 64 times 4 gives you 256 pi, and this is in inches squared. Not too bad. Plug it in and go. Next, I have a sphere with a great circle. Oh, that means circumference of 12 pi. What is the surface area of the sphere? So, what is the surface area of the sphere? Well, with circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals 12 pi. So that means r has to be equal to 6. So, for surface area, 4, I did not write a 4. 4 pi r squared. So surface area is 4 pi 6 squared, which is 4 pi 36. 4 times 36 is 144. So the surface area of my sphere is 144 pi units, because it does not give me anything, units squared. Units squared.